Hello everybody and welcome. This is another session on IAB 13 plus CEM exam practice videos. This time we are looking at some questions on geometry, and especially this is on quadrilaterals, and I have picked these questions from the 13 plus exam practice questions. You see this little clip of the book, the front cover down in the corner. So let's get started. So the first question is, in quadrilateral ABCD, angle BAD is 90 degrees, AB equals AD equals 5 centimeter, and BC equals DC equals 7 centimeters. So we have to draw a quadrilateral with the specifications they've given us. They've drawn a line AB. So as a start, I've drawn a similar line. Okay, so and this is what I did. So here what happens is, so this is my quadrilateral ABCD. Okay, so you can see angle BAD, this is 90 degrees, AB is 5 centimeter, and AD is also 5 centimeters. So AB equals AD, and BC and DC are both 7 centimeters. So that's the way I drew it. So I've made sure that the sides measure exactly. There's 5 and 5 and 7 and 7. So however, there may be a little off, so because we used a different tool, but you will be drawing on paper, so yours will be perfect, but it will look like this. Okay, so next thing they're saying is, can you draw the lines of symmetry on your quadrilateral? So the line of symmetry, yes, that is the line of symmetry. See, A, if you join A and C, that's the line of symmetry. The next they're asking, what type of quadrilateral have you drawn? Now this is a kite, I think, because what you have is the adjacent sides are equal, the opposite sides are not. Okay, so this is a kite. So then they're saying, construct a perpendicular to AC passing through D. So I've joined B and D. Okay, so that is a perpendicular. I know it does look a bit like this one. This should be 90 degrees. Mind you, 90 degrees. They intersect at right angle. So it looks a bit off, but it's where it should be. Okay, when you're on paper, drawing on paper. So then we have, yes, the kite, and the commenting on observation is AC and BD are perpendicular to each other. Okay, the next question is, the line AC is a diagonal. So this A and C they've given drawn for us. AC is a diagonal of the rhombus ABCD. The length of the side AB, so this is the diagonal of a rhombus. So a rhombus has all four sides equal, unlike a kite. So if I am to do a rough drawing, so this is what it would look like. So I think we have to, this is what it would look like. Okay, so we have to have that in mind a bit. So when we're drawing, so we know that it's correct. So the length AC is exactly 10 centimeters, this one, and shows how this line would appear in a 12 centimeter space. Okay, so using a pencil, ruler and compasses, construct accurately the rhombus ABCD. Okay, so this is AC. Now, why have they said compass? Now the reason is, AC is the diagonal, so you have to do AC is 10 centimeter, length of the side AB is 6 centimeter. So what I will have done is I have drawn another line passing through the midpoint. I have located the midpoint of this diagonal AC and I've drawn another diagonal. Okay, and I have extended these points. So that's what I did because I thought that's the way to do it. So if you and that way we know how much to draw the lines. Okay, so you will see what I've done. So that's what I did, and then I have joined these points. See if you do that. So that's what you get. So the so this becomes your rhombus. So we have drawn the rhombus ABCD. So that is, I think, a fairly accurate rhombus with AC is 10 centimeters. That is 10. That's what I've done. And next they have said measure in centimeter the diagonal BD. So I have measured in centimeter and the diagonal BD is 6.6 centimeter. Then this, ignore what I've done that. So that'll come later. Next is saying calculate in centimeter square the area. The area of a rhombus we know is half AC times BD. So if we have AC is 10 and BD I've calculated 6.6, so that's 33. Then so the next one is a bisector. Now how do we do that? What I did is I have made an assumption here, but because this is not on paper, but what you will have to do is you take your compass and you will put the compass in this position, the sharp end, and you will maintain an arc. Using the arc, you cut an arc like this, okay, and then you will, okay, and then if you put your compass at this point, okay, you will get another arc like this. Now you have to place your compass at this point. If I'm showing the dots correctly, first put compass here and then put the compass here, so you will get one arc this and the other arc like this, and the intersection of the two arcs, that is bisecting. So you have cut this angle in half. So that's what I got. So these were the lines I got. So that is bisecting. Okay, so that's what I've done by bisecting it. So when you bisect, you will see that the angle is 18 degrees. Right? Okay, so the next question is the angles in quadrilateral ABCD are taken in order, are in ratios of 1:3:5:3. Calculate the angles of the quadrilateral. So that's what I do. So I know the sum of the angles of a quadrilateral are 360 degrees. So if I assume one angle is x and then represent the other angle in terms of x and add them together, an equation, solve for x, and what do we get? That x is 30 degrees. So my angles are 30, 90, 150, and 90. So next they have said if AB and AD are each 9 centimeter, make an accurate construction of the quadrilateral. Start in space with AB positioned as shown here. So it has to be in the same position that they have drawn AB. So I went and did it, and now before I show you that, let me do a rough drawing. So what is this diagram going to look like? It is a bit tricky, I think, because along with the sides, we also have to bear in mind the angles we have calculated. So it has to have these angles. So AB is given, Now angle A we're saying is 30 degrees. So if angle A is 30, so this is 30 degrees. So this is what it is, and this, and this. So this is 150, this is 90. That is how we have to draw it, okay? So yeah, so this is angle A, then angle B is 90, angle C is 150, and angle D is 90. So that is the angle. That's the way our diagram should be, and it will look like this. Okay, so that's what it is. And then the question is, find the area of the quadrilateral. So to find the area of this diagram, what I did is I joined A and C and formed two triangles, and then add the areas of the two triangles. Now if you look at this, if you look at the what I do is area of triangle ACD. So if there is triangle ACD will be half times base. Now I've taken this as the base. The 9 centimeter is the base. So half times base times height. This is my height. DC is my height. Okay, so that's 2.5. And the same for triangle ABC. That's the same because I measured this DC and CB or BC. So I measured BC and CD, and BC is about equal to CD. Bearing in mind my drawing is correct, I'm assuming it a bit because I think it's on computer, so it may be a bit way off, but BC is equal to CD. Okay, so I put in the sorry for scribbling. So BC is CD, right? So then our area works out to be 22.5. Okay, so triangle, yeah, not right, it's half times 9 times 2. And you will see the area works out to that because if you add the two, the half and half give you 1. Okay, so it's 9 times 2.5. So, sorry, I missed the decimal point there. That's 2.5. Okay, so that concludes this session. So hopefully you found the questions a bit different, interesting questions, and have a look at them. If you have anything to add, any comments, please do write them down. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you. Bye.